Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Triller videos on your phone. So let's start. First open the Triller app. Now look for the video you want to download. Let's download this one. Now tap on the share icon on bottom right hand side. Here you will see the download option. Tap on that and the video will start to download. And that's how you can download Triller videos. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.